SCAREcrow, Sentinel Conservation via Aerial Reconnaissance and Escort.
In this video, we're going to show you a simulation of our system. As you can see, the blue dot moves around and spooks the red dots. When a red dot is spooked, it turns to an orange color. The blue dot here represents our drone in simulation. The red dots represent the intruder animals coming into the keep out zone set by the user. Once the blue dot, aka the drone, senses that the intruders are no longer within range of the keep out zone, it returns back to base, here, the center of the square. Here we see our reinforcement learning algorithm that has been trained in this simulated environment, pushing after the intruder animals. In addition to this game-like simulation, we also have a more realistic drone simulation using the PX4 software-in-the-loop simulator. The PX4 software-in-the-loop simulator allows us to run both the PX4 autopilot, which is what is on our drone, in addition to the onboard software that we have written. As our documentation says, we have essentially three components to our system. We have the drone, we have the base station, and then we have the code running on the base station, which is the AI, and the code running on the base station, which is the networking code. The AI is what you're seeing here. The networking code is essentially the communications between the AI and the drone. The communications allows us to send commands from the AI up to the drone while the drone flies. Thank you for watching our video, and please check out our channel, Logically Literate, on YouTube, where you can see many more videos. Thank you.